Can you come give Scout a hug?
Oh, big hug.
Give Scout a hug.
Give Scout a hug.
Give
Scout a hug.
Get your nose out of there.
Give Scout a hug.
Give Scout a hug, Madeline.
Are you shy?
Madeline, give Scout a hug.
We went
Now.
to take our picture one time. She went.
Madeline, give Scout a hug.
Oh, good hug.
Can you say, thank you, Scout? What's
Scout,
he doing?
Get out of there.
Is he getting stuff out of his bag?
See, he got treats in there.
Chevy phone or she just have a
Bless you.
Hey, Scout, you want to get out of there?
Oh, bless you.
Scout. No more.
Well, is that showtime?
Nope.
We don't have anything. So all of a sudden these pants were all wet.
How much more is your
Oh,
showtime?
that's
I
fine.
don't know. I'm gonna call and try to get it free for 6 months or something.
Stay.
Q, come over here.
What's in this bag?
Food.
Madeline. Make Scout chase you.
You're not getting a treat. Not gonna happen.